Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review this BIOTIQUE depigmentation face pack. And festivals are going to come up, wedding season is going to come up. We are all looking for that glowing skin. And BIOTIQUE is a nice brand, as we all know. It's herbal, Ayurvedic. They even do claim on their packaging that it's not a cosmetic product. It's an Ayurvedic treatment. For the price, like this one is only 199 rupees, and when I bought it online from Nike, I got even a much better deal on this one. Our face pack is for whitening, depigmentation and tan removal. So all of the things that we are looking for if we are looking for a glow, कि आपका tan भी remove हो जाए, आपका face भी whiten हो जाए, even out हो जाए, glow करने लगे. तो I think this is like the all-in-one face pack. The product is around 75 grams for 199 rupees. Not bad at all. So let's open it up. This is how the packaging from the outside looks, and when you open it up, this is how the tub comes out to be. And it has its all the fruits, lemon and all kind of, because it's a bio fruit face pack. So as you can see, इसके ऊपर सारे के सारे fruits बने हुए हैं. And then when you open it up, it does have a secure lid, makes it a little travel friendly. And then when you remove the lid, it's a very pretty pink color face pack. It's a very different color actually, because normally the face packs are either black, white or green or so. I'm going to show you in a bit how to use. Ingredients that it contains is multani mitti, keru powder, yashad bhasma, tomato juice, pineapple juice, babul gond and cream base. So I think the tomato juice and pineapple juice are known for their whitening properties, for removing the depigmentation. Not much required to make a video about a face pack, which we all know that it will be good anyways, right? But I wanted to make this video only to say that if you are on one of those who has sensitive skin, I don't know what's wrong with me, with my skin, that BIOTIQUE products don't suit me. So when I apply this one, it gives me very strong, sharp, tingling sensation, and for me, reverse of it happened. Instead of removing the pigmentation, I did observe that on my cheeks around this area, because right now the lighting is so, the camera and all of that thing, you can't see the pigmentation very easily. But this side, I did observe that wherever I was feeling this burning sensation, after 1 day or so, I did observe that little black spots were there. Maybe my skin got burnt. So that's why I'm more into DIYs, because there I know like what I'm gonna put and what are the things that suit me. Say that if you have super sensitive skin, then be careful. Do a patch test. For that, what you can do is apply it on the back of your ear, or you can even apply it here or here somewhere, and leave it for some time and see how it reacts. Do you feel that tingling sensation? And then when you remove it, just see how your skin reacts. Does it turn out blackish, or it's like normal? So with that, because you can't take chances on your face, if you want, I can apply it for you guys to give you an idea of the texture on the back of my hands. So this is when I take it out. It does smell quite strong, like pineapple and all of those. And when I apply, this is the consistency, and you can let it dry for around 15 to 20 minutes. This was the review of BIOTIQUE Bio Fruit Depigmentation Pack. I hope you like it. If you did, do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.